Today, I want to do a quick video covering some of the things that new Amazon business owners do when they set up and first start their business. Welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. This is Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Today, I want to do a quick video covering some of the things that new Amazon business owners do when they set up and first start their business, like what type of licenses and things like that. So I'm going to cover 4 things that you most likely will do, or definitely you'll want to do at some point along this path to your financial success selling on Amazon. Now, the 4th one I'm going to cover is the best one. I'll save that one for last. So first, I want to talk about a reseller license or reseller permit, reseller certificate. They call it different things in different states. I'll call it a reseller license here on this video. So you're going to get that from your state or province that you live in. Now, what does it do for you? First thing it does, it allows suppliers that you're dealing with to not charge you sales tax because you have that license. Second thing it does is it makes you look more legitimate to suppliers. So when you're first contacting suppliers, which you will definitely do when you're first selling on Amazon, you want to have something that shows that you're a legitimate business owner, you're serious, you're going to buy some products, it's worth their time to talk to you. So this is just one thing that makes you look more legitimate because you've gone through the process to get it. All right, now if you want to know more details, the nitty-gritty details about how to get this license, we have other videos on ALGO. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll see other videos that go through this in a lot more detail than I am right now. All right, second thing I want to cover, a business license. Now, a business license, I first got a business license about 19 years ago. The city I lived in did not have any type of website or anything I could go to 19 years ago. I went into City Hall, filled out some paperwork. My wife and I signed it. I think it cost $35, and boom, we got a business license, right? Hang it on the wall, first one. All right, so that's still pretty much the process today. The fees haven't changed a whole lot, but here's what happens. The city I live in now, it's $60. You go online, you fill out some forms, pretty easy. California, where I used to live, it's $35, same type of thing though. So I'm gonna put this in more the easier category if I can, on steps of things you need to do to get a business license. Now, what does that do for you? Again, it's a step that makes you look a lot more legitimate. You've taken the time and the effort. You're a professional business owner. You're not just here to play on Amazon. You're here to build and scale and grow and have an Amazon business for years to come. So get a business license. Take the time to do that. Okay, third thing that you will want at some point is an entity. Now, I know a lot of Amazon sellers that have started without an entity. They open up their Amazon account as a sole proprietorship. That's the way I did it. But lots of people do that. You don't have to do it that way. You can get an entity first. But all right, what does an entity do? Basically, the entity is not necessarily for Amazon reasons. It's for tax and legal reasons. So it helps you on your tax write-offs. I'm not a tax professional, so I won't give you tax advice. But it helps you on your tax write-offs and your tax setup, and it helps you on your legal being able to shield yourself from various things that could happen out there in the world. All right, so a reseller's license, a business license, an entity, those are things that you'll probably end up getting. Now, the 4th one is by far the most important. The 4th one is you got to learn how to do this. You have to learn how to make money on Amazon, right? What does that mean? You got to learn how to find products, research, how to find suppliers and negotiate, get the best price, how to set up your Amazon account, how to win sales, how to win the buy box on Amazon. Now, out of the 4 things I just covered, knowing how to make money on Amazon, that should be pretty obvious. That's the most important thing. But there are thousands of people I meet that guess what they do last? They learn how to make money on Amazon. What do they do first? They do everything else first. Anything and everything else they can do first, they do first. And I think it's the other way around, right? Successful entrepreneurs like you gotta know how to make money. That's the first thing. That's the most important thing. But a lot of people, whether it's procrastination or whatever, they want to do all the other stuff first, right? Oh, I need to get a new computer before I start. No, learn how to do this, learn how to make money, learn how to win the buy box, learn how to research products and find the right products and buy them from a supplier, how to do the shipping on Amazon. That's what you need to do first. So those are the 4 things I'm covering here today. Do that last one first. Now, if you are new to Amazon or you are not new to Amazon, but you've been struggling on Amazon, I would love to teach you in more detail how to do that 4th step I just covered. How to research products, how to find suppliers, negotiate, how to win the buy box, how to get sales, how to make money on Amazon. In the years I've been doing this, I have fine-tuned what I think is the perfect 90-minute training on how to do this the right way. I will also cover the right business model for selling on Amazon. There's a link right down here for a workshop. It'll say get registered for the workshop. Click on that link, get registered. Again, it's 90 minutes long. And it's a live training, not recorded. I will be live. I will actually only take about 60, 70 minutes to go through the training. Then I'll do a question and answer period, and I'll make sure I answer every single one of your questions you have. I will be live. If you want to learn how to do this, I want to teach you. So click on that link, get registered. I'll see you soon.